Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Vital, and in this video we discuss about the topic professional short term courses or professional courses or short term courses. What are that? Actually, these professional and short term courses are completed only in 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. So therefore these are called short term courses because the time of completing these courses is only 3, 6 and 8, 1 years, 3, 6, 3 months, 6 months or up to 1 year. And for this reason these are called short term courses, and these courses have high demand because after completing class 10th level education or class 12 level education, then if you want to find a field where you complete your study and ultimately after completing that you want to be a job seeker, and you will find a job in that time after completing this short term courses, or you can be as a self employed, you can work. So for this reason these courses are very important, I think, because after completing these courses you can find your job, and you also can be a self employed, or you can start a new business. Okay, so these are the courses, short term courses. These are fashion designing, jewelry designing, interior designing, beauty therapist, food processing, mobile phone technician, healthcare, radiology technician, electrician, travel and tourism, and welder. So these are the list of some short term courses that I made, but these are not the full list. There are a number of short term courses that you can select as your choice. You can select your short term courses. So for the selection of this short term course you have to know that in which field you want to go, okay, or have interest. Next important point is the eligibility. If we talk about the eligibility of these short term courses, eligibility is only the class 10 pass. Okay, after passing class 10 you can join in this short term courses having no problem. So even if you are if you got poor marks in the class 10th level or class 10 standard, it has no effect on it. These courses are available for you. These courses are available for you. If you have only interest, then these courses are for you. Okay, and uh, uh, benefits of these courses are, these are short term courses and giving you industry related informations. I'm believing it that these are very short, but industry related information is completely distributed here. So therefore it is not possible for any degree to know all the know-how of the industry, but the some knowledge, after gathering some knowledge, you can promote your career, you can develop your career. So for this reason you can start your career with completing this diploma, sorry, these are short term professional courses. With completing these professional courses you can understand the know-how of the industries, respective industries. So for this reason after completing these courses you can understand the industry. You can understand the industry, means in primary level, and you can find a job, or you can start your own business, or be work as self employed. And another important thing, if we talk about the loan for after completing these courses, these short term courses, you will get the loan from bank, any bank. And if you start your company, actually bank will not give you any money if you do not show them anything that you are starting a business or a project in the following one of the trade course. So at first you have to set your own small type project. After that you run it 1 years or 2 years or 3 years. After that you can get loan to finance this business, related business. So for this reason these short term courses are very lucrative in this time, and for the housewives, for students, or the person who are already completed the higher studies and want to start any short term job, or any short term business type, then these courses are give you the know how of the industry. And if you got the know how of the industry, then your new career is started. So for this reason I am making this video. These are only a few example of short term courses, and means you can find a lot number of short term courses. Okay, a number of short term courses, and from there you can select a short term courses that is suitable for you, and you can make career in short term courses. So thank you for watching this video, and I just wanted to give you an awareness that these are the short term courses. If you want to go in the respective industries, or if you want to enter in the respective industries, then short term course is also one way. If you don't have the BTech degree or higher type of degree, BTech, MTech, then after completing 10 you can also enter in this type of industries. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to watch this type of more videos, then you can find this type of more videos in the playlist that are already made in this channel. And you can find this type of videos in the playlist name as the career graph, that I made the playlist in this name, and you can find all this type of videos from the playlist.